Yo, Minecraft Squad. Want to play with friends on a totally free server for Minecraft server for free? I'm stoked to show you how to set up your own Minecraft server using Aternos in 2025. Perfect for 1.21. This guide is super easy, so let's roll. If you're hyped, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Here we go. Step 1. Open your browser. Chrome or Firefox works great. And head to aternos.org website. You can grab the link in the description to save time. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a big play button. Click it to get started. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you're new, click Sign Up. Enter a username like 1 Minute IT Shot and agree to the terms of service. Pick a strong password and optionally add an email for account recovery. If you've got an account, just log in with your details. Done, you're in. Step 3, create your server. You'll land on the server creation page. Give your server a unique name and click the Create button. Don't worry if the name's taken. Aternos will let you know and you can tweak it. Pro tip, keep it short and memorable so your friends can find it. Step 4, customize your server. Now you're on the server dashboard where the magic happens. First, check the Minecraft version. By default, it's set to the latest, like 1.21, but you can change it to match your game. Vanilla, Forge, or even modded versions like Paper for plugins. Click the Software tab to pick something like Paper if you want mods or minigames. In the Options tab, you can tweak settings like difficulty, set it to easy for beginners, or enable PvP for some friendly battles. Want a specific seed or game mode? You can set those too, like creative for building or survival for adventure. For now, let's keep it simple with Vanilla 1.21. Step 5, start your server. Head back to the main dashboard and click the green Start button. A pop-up might ask you to agree to Aternos' terms. Click I agree. You can skip notifications by clicking Deny to keep things clean. Now chill for a minute while the server boots up. Aternos is free, so it might take 30 to 60 seconds, but you'll see a progress bar. Once it says Online, you're good to go. Step 6, join the server. You've got 5 minutes to connect before Aternos shuts it down to save resources, so let's move fast. Copy the server address from the dashboard. Open Minecraft Java Edition 1.2, 1.5, the same version as your server. Click Multiplayer, then Add Server. Paste the server address into the server address field, give it a name like My Aternos Server, and click Done. Step 7, invite your crew. Share the server address with your friends. They'll need Minecraft 1.212. If they can't join, double-check the server's online, the version matches, or restart it from the Aternos dashboard. If the server shuts down, just head back to Aternos and click Start again. It's free and unlimited. Pro tip, bookmark the Aternos dashboard for quick access. That's it. You're a server master. If you're loving this, like, subscribe, and drop your favorite thing to build on a server in the comments. Need more help? Check our other Minecraft guides linked below. Peace out, and have an awesome time ruling your server.